Inside one of the world's largest reptile centers, every crocodile is carefully sorted.
Specialized containers ensure safety, stability, and controlled movement during transport.
Every container is tagged, scanned, and entered into the system with pinpoint accuracy.
The crates are loaded with precision and prepared for the journey ahead. The truck approaches one of the world's most advanced crocodile processing plants.
Strict disinfection protocols ensure complete hygiene before entry.
As the doors open, the cold interior reveals the beginning of the transformation process.
As the doors open, the cold interior reveals the beginning of the transformation process.
Each crate is transferred onto automated receiving systems for initial handling.
Advanced scanners log every detail, ensuring total traceability.
A detailed inspection confirms the condition and readiness of each crocodile.
A high-pressure wash prepares each crocodile for primary processing. Highly trained specialists begin the precise removal of the crocodile hide. Powerful automated systems handle the toughest parts of the hide extraction. The raw hides move into the industrial treatment sections. Robotic systems trim and shape each hide to exact specifications. The hides are stretched to perfection, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Tanning and coloring strengthen the leather and define its appearance. Rows of finished hides fill the drying chamber as the final curing phase completes.
Each hide is graded, packaged, and prepared for export to markets around the world. If you enjoyed this, please like the video and subscribe for more factory stories.